All right, guys, as you can see, it's wheel and tire day. Finally get to take these things over to Pop's garage to get the tires mounted on, since we got them powder coated, and then get this bike rolling. One little tip, after you get your wheels powder coated, you're always gonna have to get new bearings put in. So you're gonna have to knock the old ones out before or after, preferably before powder coating, because if you leave them in when you get it powder coated and they go to bake them and heat them up, the grease could drip out and stain and ruin the powder coat. So you always want to make sure they're clean, get them good and cleaned out, and have new bearings to install. That way when you get your tires put back on, they can balance them also. One tip, I've seen it happen before. Inside your wheels you have inner spacers, okay? So your inner spacers have to go in the wheels. All right, we got new bearings right here. One bearing on each side, inner spacer in the center. That's what it should look like inside your wheel. Do not forget the inner spacers. I've seen it before several times. It is not a good sign. Also, these surfaces right here on these wheels, sometimes they can get little lippages on them from the powder coat. You can see right there, there's a little lip. So what you want to do before you mount your pulley and your brake rotors, you want to get some sandpaper and take that lip off. All right, guys, we just made it to Pop's Garage in Alpharetta. Super cool, kind of low-key shop. They got every pretty much Dyna Bro thing you can think of in there. All their gear, apparel, you know, gloves, helmets, everything is all like the top of the line. Cool stuff, and they do some nice builds. FXR, do some rigid frame stuff. Everything's pretty legit. We're gonna go inside, bring the wheels and tires, get them to mount the tires up on for us on our wheels, and maybe we'll get some filming and take a peek at a little bit of the product they got. make sure there's not anything. Good over there?
Yep.
Yay! Yay, we did it!
Thank you all for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that as much as we did. We got a pretty good bit done today. We got the front and rear fenders bolted on. We got the wheels bolted on. We got the gas tank bolted on. And a little bit of fine detail throughout. As y'all saw, I had my 3 amigos helping me out today. Been a couple years since I've built a motorcycle, and now my little boys are of age to really kind of help out and get their hands dirty. And so, you know, it's been nice just sitting back and letting them kind of do that and, you know, have free will to, you know, scratch something or drop something and not be terrified of it. So that's what this is about. You know, obviously, you know, living the dad life and letting the boys enjoy this as much as I do, and hopefully sharing that knowledge with them. But that concludes this video. Stay tuned for the next video. It'll be Dyna Build Series video number 3, and we should get all the fine details tuned out and tweaked out, get everything adjusted, get the small, you know, bits and ends bolted up and pieced together, and hopefully get it running. But like always, I really appreciate you guys watching and following along. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and stay tuned for the next video.